I thought I'd show something. This is the box that the subwoofer come in. Something I thought was a bit suspicious. You look at this tape, it's a small tape. You see that? It's only small tape where it should be thick tape like that one, the original one. If you have a look, it goes right along, all the way along. It's like small tape, like this box has been opened before. So I'm wondering, have they opened this box? I'd hate to think that that's what they've done, because if you have a look, see there's two different tapes on here. See that? There's another bit of tape there. See what I mean? It's the smaller tape. I'm wondering, has this box been opened before? So it's maybe not brand new at all. Just something to think about, I think. Yeah. As you can see, it's not real thick tape. Not like this stuff that's originally on it. You know, like I've got the thick stuff. I'll show you it. Where's that? Because I bought this ages ago from Australia Post. For when I get stuff, I can box it back up. See the difference in the size of that tape? That's nearly about as thick as my thumb. And this is the one that you use for boxing. See the difference in the size? I'm trying to show you here. There's a big difference. It reminds me of that sort of turtle, turtle tape. Tell you what, it's not bad. It's pretty close to that size, isn't it? It's a little bit bigger. Only a little bit. So I'm wondering, was that box retaped? Seems a bit suspicious. And is that on both sides of it? Yep. It's on both sides of it too, look. This box has been opened before. See how it's got the thick tape? But there's that thin tape right there. Look at it. Can you see that or not? And it goes from there. What's that piece? Oh, it's a piece over top. It goes from there to there. So from here to there. I think this box has been opened before. Yeah. See, look. That's the smaller tape. Oh, hang on, look at that. Whoops, sorry. It's been opened, look. See how that's been pulled up? It's a bit suspicious. Anyway, I just thought I'd do that and just show you when I was putting the subwoofer back. See, I put it back in here. I'm a bit suspicious of that. Oh, get off there. See, I'll just put it back. It's got really good foam. It shouldn't be nothing wrong with it, but yeah, I'm wondering, did they send me out something that's been opened before? And figured I wouldn't catch it. You can see down there, see that tape? That hasn't got nothing like what's been put on here. Bit suspicious. Oh well, thanks for watching. Remember, thumbs up if you like what I'm doing. Thank you, bye.